CYRN announced it has entered into a definitive agreement to divest its legacy secure email gateway business to Content Services Group GmbH for $10 million in cash. This purchase price is subject to certain adjustments and the transaction is expected to close prior to August 31, 2022, with customary closing conditions. The divestment will enable CYRN to focus on its best strategic growth opportunities to deliver optimal value to its customers and shareholders. This transaction is fully aligned with their strategy to focus their efforts and resources on products and market opportunities that they believe offer the best growth opportunities for CYRN. We believe that Content Services Group is a good strategic fit for this business, will be a good home for their team members associated with the business, and is committed to continuing to support the products and customers. CYRN will use the proceeds to expand go-to-market activities relating to its anti-phishing solution, CYRN Inbox Security, and its core threat intelligence services. New bookings associated with these products have been growing in recent quarters, and CYRN believes it is time to accelerate investments in these two market opportunities.